Hello and welcome. In this video, we will create some links on our page using HTML. Okay. Now, if you look at this page, we have a link here. It says click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. Okay. And when you see, when you move your mouse over this link, the pointer changes to pointing hand, and when you click it, it takes you to this page. Correct? It takes you to this page. We also have a back button here, and when I click on the back button, it takes me to this page. Okay. Now we will be doing links like this. There are few other variations, and we'll do all these in this video. Okay. And to do all these, we only need one tag, which is a tag. Okay, a tag. So a stands for anchor. This is anchor tag. Now this a tag with some modification is used to define links. Okay. So a with href. Okay, a with href inside the starting tag is used to create links. Href stands for hypertext reference. Okay, href stands for hypertext reference, and it will be inside the starting a tag. So basically, we are using a tag, anchor tag, to create links. All right. So let me close this. I don't want to save it. Let me open this folder, and here I will create one more folder called as pages, and I want this and this 3 pages inside this. Okay, so I have moved the 3 pages into this folder. So what are these 3? So this page, and this page. Okay, this page. So these 3 are inside the pages folder, and what I have here is this page. Okay, this page. Now let me edit this. Let me edit this and create the necessary links. So I'm going to open it using Notepad. I'm going to refer to this. So here in ginseng, you see we have a link. Okay, click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. So where is it? It is above buy ginseng here button. So let us do that. Let me find the code for button buy ginseng here. It is available here. So I'll hit enter and enter so that it is easily readable to you. So here I will use a tag. Okay, and a tag, and inside a tag I need to type in this. Click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. Okay, ginseng. Now let me save this. I've saved it. Let me go here and open the file. Okay, so yeah, it has come like this. Click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng, and then we have buy ginseng here next to this. This is not what we want, correct? We want buy ginseng below this, and we want this to point to a link. So let us do that. So let this be inside a paragraph. Okay, inside a paragraph. And now let me save it. Let me refresh it, and it has come like this. Now it is okay. Now I want to link. Okay, I want to link this text to what? To the nutritional value of ginseng, which is available in ginseng.html file, which is inside pages folder. Correct? So inside pages folder we have ginseng.html. I want to link it to this so that when I click this link here, this page opens up. All right. So now I have to use href. href inside the starting a tag. Okay, href is equal to and opening and closing quotes. All right, and now what we do is we give the link with reference to this. All right, so now we are editing index, correct? We are editing index.html file. Relative to index.html, where is the ginseng file? It is inside pages folder, correct? It is inside pages folder. So what we say is pages. Okay, inside pages folder I have ginseng.html. okay, inside inside pages folder I have ginseng.html. we are referring to this. Okay, we are referring to this. So let me save this, and let me refresh it. So I have this. Click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. Now if I click this, the page opens. Which page? This page. Okay, this page gets loaded, and I have the result here. Okay, now it is fine. Let me close this. Now what I want to do here is I want to add a link to the previous page, index page, saying back. Okay, so what I want here is a back page or back button or a back link, and when I click on the back link, it has to load index.html. all right, so now I have to edit this ginseng file. all right, I'll open it with notepad. So here I will say p, and I'll say back. Okay, back, and let me save this and open ginseng. You can see I have back written here. Now I have to link it to the index.html file. Where is it? It is up one level. It is not in this folder. It is up one level and here. Okay, so what should I do? I have to use a tag, correct? A tag. Let me close it quickly. Yeah, so I have to use a tag, and inside a tag I have to use href. Okay, is equal to, and I think you know how to go up one level. So it is by saying or using two dots and / and saying index.html. okay, index.html and closing quotes. So now let me save this, and let me open this. So when I click on the back, so back button is ready, and when I click on the back button, it loads the index.html file. all right, so let me quickly close this, come back, and let me quickly close this and open this file. Okay, so now if you see, I have clicked here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. When I click it, this page loads up. You can see what page loads up, and I have back button here, and when I click on the back button, so index.html page loads up. all right, very good. Now you can pause this video, go ahead and complete this before proceeding to next section. Okay, now let me close it. Let me not close it, let it be here. So here I do not have something like this. Click here to read the nutritional value of ginseng. Nothing is there. But here the image is a link. Okay, the image itself is clickable. So if I click this image, the nutritional value of cinnamon loads up, and I have a back button here too. Okay, so I'll click back here. So here I want the image to be clickable, and when I click on the image, it has to take me to this page. and I need a back button here too. So let us do this. What do we need to do? We need to edit index.html, and let me find the code for the image of cinnamon. Okay, it is cinnamon, I guess. Yeah, it is cinnamon. So here is the code for image of cinnamon, correct? Now, what you need to do is very simple. Just wrap a tags, okay, wrap a tags around image tags. Okay, wrap a tags around image tags, and that's it. Okay, so now you have wrapped it, you have to link it. For linking, we use ahref is equal to, and inside codes, we say pages slash cinnamon dot html. Okay, dot html. So let me save this and let me refresh this. So now when you see the mouse pointer here, when I move the mouse, when I hover the mouse over the image, it changes to pointing hand. And now when I click on it, this page gets loaded up. Okay, this page loads up. Now I need a back button here too. So you know how to do it. You have to edit the cinnamon.html file. I'm not going to do it and drag the video, so you can do it as an exercise. Okay, so I need a back button here, so do it please. Next, I'll go back. So here this is fenugreek. Okay, this is fenugreek. Yeah, sorry, not this file, this file here. So this is fenugreek. I have this description, and below this description I have click here to read about fenugreek. And here what I have done is I have linked this text to an external website, a page from Wikipedia. Okay, when I click on this, a page from Wikipedia loads up. Okay, page from Wikipedia loads up. Now this is what I want to do. I want to have something like this. When I click on this, a Wikipedia page should load up. Alright, so let us do that now. Where is the link? It is above buy fenugreek button. Okay, so let me search for it. Buy fenugreek here. Yes, so I'll hit enter. And what do I need? I want a tags. Okay, I want a tags, and let me have paragraph 2. Okay, so that it comes neatly. And what do I want? Click here to read about fenugreek. Okay, click here to read about fenugreek, and let me close the paragraph. Okay, now everything is proper. We just need to link it. For linking, as you know, href is equal to and 2 quotes, and inside 2 quotes should be the link. What link? Link of this page. Okay, so I'll copy the page link here. Okay, I'll copy the page link here, and I will paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. So it has to be in the quotes, inside the quotes. Alright, so let me save it, and let me go back to this and refresh it. You see, I have click here to read about fenugreek, and when I click on it, the Wikipedia page of fenugreek loads up. Alright, yes, so next one is ready. Finally, we have click here to read about turmeric. Alright, now if you see, we have click here to read about fenugreek, and when I click this, it opens in the same tab, correct? Or in other words, my index.html page is replaced by this page. So if I want to go to index.html, or I can say my website, I have to click on back button. I have to click on back button. That is what is happening here. Here what I want to do is, when I click on this, a new tab must open, or the link must open in a new tab. Alright, I have my tab here, my website. The turmeric should load up in a new tab. That is what I want to do. Okay, let us do that now. Once again, above by turmeric here, we have click here to read about turmeric. So by turmeric here is here. Let me say A and P, and let me close P, and let me close A quickly. Okay. Yeah. Now here, let me type in click here to read about turmeric, and inside A tag, let me say a href is equal to, and inside this, what do I want? I want this link, correct? So let me copy this, and let me paste inside this. And next, after this code, what I need to say is target. Okay, target is equal to inside quotes. Okay, target is equal to inside quotes blank. Okay, so target is equal to, and inside quotes underscore blank. Now underscore blank when used gets you the link in a new tab. Okay, so let me save it. I've saved it, and let me refresh it here. So I have my link here. Click here to read about turmeric. So when I click on it, the turmeric page loads up in a new tab. Alright, yes, so we have achieved everything that we wanted. Now you can pause this video and complete these assignments and come back. So we have a few more things to do. So if you see here, we have email us button and we have call button. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see the mail manager opens up. I have not set up any mail manager. So if you set up Outlook or any other mail manager, or it loads up the default mail manager. All right. So here, let me close this. So what we are doing here is setting up an email link. Okay. So that when anyone clicks on this, the default email manager loads up. And here, what we are doing is we are setting a link to call. Okay, we have given our phone number here, dummy phone number, and whenever someone clicks this, either on mobile or on PC, the default calling application loads up and a call goes to this number. So if you are using mobile, as soon as you click on this, it will open up your phone app and the call will be done. If you click this on a PC, for example, if you have Skype or any other calling app, so the number will be loaded up so that you can call this number. Okay, so that is the purpose of this and this. So let us create this now. So first let us do email us and then call. All right, so both are once again simple and both are at the end. Okay, so it says email us, right? So I'll say A and email us. I'll close the A tag. All right, I'll close the A tag, and here now I'll say href. Okay, href is equal to for email addresses we have mail to. Okay, mail to, and then colon, and you must mention the email address. Let me say abcd@gmail.com. Okay, abcd@gmail.com, and close the quotes. So this is what we use to say that this is an email ID. or this should be considered as an email address. All right, so that when you click on it, the default calling application should load mail to with colon. All right, mail to with colon. So let me save this. And let me refresh it. So we have email us button here, email us. So let me click it, and when I click it, it gives me pick app dialog box. So I do not want to do this right now. So let me just click away. All right. So email us is ready. For that you need to use mail to and colon with email ID. That's all. Okay. Next, what is there here? So we have a symbol. What is this symbol? This is called as pipe symbol. Okay, pipe symbol. It is available right above your enter button on the keyboard. Okay, above enter button you have backward slash button. So hold shift and press that backward slash button to get this. Okay, pipe symbol. So I will use the pipe symbol here. Okay, pipe symbol. And now we need one more option to call a number. So once again, A, okay, A, and the phone number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 5, and I'll close the A tag. All right. So A and A, and here href. So for mail we have mail to, correct, and for call we have tel. All right, tel. That's all. For mail, mail to. For calling phone number we have tel dot, and then the phone number. All right, I hope this is, yeah, one more, and then close the quotes. And now let me save it, and let me go back and refresh it, and I have email us and this. Okay, email us and this. So with the pipe symbol you can adjust this, and let me refresh it. It looks fine. So when I click on this, it is asking me to pick an app to call this number. All right. So these two are the things that you need to remember: tel and mail to. All right. Yes. Next, what is remaining? We have back to top. So we are at the bottom of the page. So you may have seen many times buttons like this, correct? So when you click on this, it takes you to the top of the page, right? So I'm at the bottom. When I click back to top, it takes you to the top of the page. Now let us create something like this. So I want it below email us and call, correct? So here below this, let me have p tags. Okay, p tags, and I'll say back to top, and I'll close p tags. Okay, so let me save it and let me refresh it. So I have back to top here. And let me wrap this in a tags. Okay, a tags. For this too we use a tags. Okay, so a tags. And now we have to use href. Okay, href, and here we use this symbol. Okay, this symbol, and we need to use a keyword. All right, so let me write top. You can write or use any keyword. Okay, so let me explain it in detail. Do not worry about it right now. So href is common, you know about it, is equal to, and then inside quotes with this symbol. Okay, with this symbol, which is nothing but shift and 3. Okay, hold shift and press 3 button on your keyboard. All right, so it gets you this number, and then a keyword. Okay, keyword. Now let me save this. Let me refresh it. So I have this link. When I click on this link, it has to take me to the top. Okay, it has to take me to the top. So what I need to do is, so what is this? home remedies for low blood pressure, correct? So let me consider it as a top, okay? Home remedies for low blood pressure. So here or here or here, it doesn't matter because all three are here itself. So I need to mention ID, okay? ID is equal to, and in quotes, what did I type here? What did I type? I typed top, correct? Top. So I need to mention top, okay? Top. So now I will save it, I will refresh this, and when I click on back to top, it takes me to this, okay? So what is happening is here I'm saying, when I click on back to top button, find wherever this ID is and take me there, okay? So what I'm saying is, so when I click on this, find wherever this ID is or this word is in form of ID, take me to that position. So when I click on it, what happens is it searches where is the ID top. Where is it? It is here, ID equal to top. So it gets me to this location, okay? It gets me to this location. Now let me cut this and let me paste it, let us say in ginseng, okay? Let me paste it in ginseng and let me see what happens. So I'll refresh this, and now when I click on back to top, ginseng loads up, okay? Ginseng loads up. All right. So if I had pasted in cinnamon, then this would have loaded when I had clicked back to top button, okay? Now where do we want it? We want it at the top. So let it be here. So let me save it, let me refresh it, and I have my working page. All right, I have my working page. So these are the various variations that we can create using EA tag or anchor tag. Along with anchor tag, we need href, hypertext reference. All right. So go ahead and practice all these before moving on to the next video. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.